All right, guys, 1969 Chevy Camaro. This has got an L48 350, 300 horsepower, paired with an automatic turbo 350 transmission. This has houndstooth interior, beautiful houndstooth, finished in this nice yellow. They also call this Bumblebee. It's got BF Goodrich tires, rally wheels, quarters are in nice shape. There's no real dents or damage on this car. Two little spots I'll point out. They did something here and they covered up the antenna, which you can get an antenna and that'll cover that right up. And also, they got a nice little ding right here. Besides that, the car's in pretty good shape. I would say the paint job's probably a 7.5 out of 10. Undercarriage is absolutely immaculate. Take a look at this undercarriage. Super clean under there. Really, really nice. On the inside, like I said, we got the houndstooth, we got the horseshoe shifter, we have some aftermarket gauges, oil, fuel, voltage, and water temperature. Also, let's go in the back. Trunk's in good shape. We got an extra tire back here, but all this is solid. What I like about this car is we got some good paperwork on it. We have the original owner's manual. We also have the warranty card from back in the day with the original owner's information. He bought it September 30th, 1969. And we have the original dealer plate imprint, which is pretty cool to have. Also, we have the service record and when he bought it. All right, guys, we're gonna fire it up and then I'll show you under the hood. Sounds nice and healthy. It starts right up. The brakes, we got headers. Overall, just a nice, clean car. We got a nice optimal battery. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little gas, a little acceleration. You guys can hear it in the back. Up for sale now, BobEvansClassics.com. Give us a call or go on our website, guys. I can finance this one for you. It's between $3,000 to $5,000 down, and we offer free shipping anywhere in the United States of America. Appreciate you guys checking out our page. God bless the USA. Talk to you later.